winning that one with a tip.
On that first sequence, you can also see how these two teams have really been picking it up on their defense and offense side. So first point pass.
Out of system set there. Solomon getting a point here. Challenges, or 2 attempts rather, to challenge a call. And mababawasan ng kapag unsuccessful ang challenge. And a block point here by team captain Erin Pangilinan.
Just to see Erin Pangilinan playing now in the first 6, I think she had that sprain a few games ago, but now she's back at 100%.
Performance coming from both squads here. A preview as to what or how this match is really gonna turn out.
As you can see, there's always that powerful spikes and good or kumbaga mag-init pa siya coming into the next set.
And so far, the points on the NU side are very scattered. You have Belen and Solomon and Mata as well.
Sa Mata serving right now in the place of Sheena Turing, which big shoes to fill in, but she's really delivering as of the moment.
And a big block here once again for Pangilinan in Alinsug. That one goes straight to the floor, no room to even cover that. That block of the set is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken, but great save as well by Verdeflor. Almonte to attack and a single block by Alyssa Solomon. This block of the set is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
You see how ready Alyssa receives. Their passing has been very consistent as of the moment. That's why the Gbedos are very involved.
And a point.
Give 1 pass, 1 set, and 1 spike. So 1 point at a time.
Huegos is blocked at the net there. This block of the set is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Confident. You see each point, they're celebrating, very relaxed.
Turing in the middle. Panike again. Adolfo will try and saves another set point here.
Part of the set. Good floor defense of Adamson is coming alive on this last part of the set.
Pono to Belen in the middle. And Bella Belen ending this first side chicken and Mojos now. And first point of the set coming from Bascon. Of angle there by Huegos. Belen from the back. Yandok to Hamili. And Barbie Hamili. And a sneaky 1-2 play there by Abby Pono. Really deceiving the floor defense there on the side of the Lady Falcons. This cool play of the set is brought you over to Tati.
As the Lady Bulldogs inch a step closer to a possible Samgyup 3.
And taking those instructions during the timeout and doing it or performing it right away. And that's exactly what Pono and Belo care of Alcantara, or Yandok rather, who are stepping up for the Lady Falcons. And Panike with a huge block there.
I like how Panike waited for that spike, adjusting on their offense. Middles are being more involved now on their spiking.
And another point here by Jen Villegas set.
I like how Yandok is involving everybody and also giving those.
Lamina to Solomon. And of course, you can... Maaya in the middle. Aljibe will try. Belen scores a point here for NU.
Too strong for Adamson. Alone on that last point for Bella Belen.
The spike of the set is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best play. Manuel with a great reception.
Good cover again by NU.
And Belen on set. Hamili from the open side.
For NU.
And Lamina, great eye as well. Going for that 1-2 play.
That middle spot for
Yandok to Hamili here. And Hamili is denied at the net by...
great comeback from NU Lady Bulldogs on this second set. They were trailing NU.
So set 3 now underway. This set is brought to you by Shaky Super Delivery. Huegos will give up a free ball here. Combination play. Alinsuk from the back. Hamili. And so far given. Making sure she turns those into points.
Barbie Hamili just pounding at
The official internet provider of the Shaky Super League preseason championship. And Bascon denied.
just to break the momentum for the NU Lady Bulldogs.
And a successful here in the third set. Almost an ace. Lamina to Solomon. But a big block there. But those are the things that Adamson badly needs now. And Aljibe here taking charge.
Good coverage of both teams. Floor defense has been really excellent.
And Lamina, that middle zone of the Lady Falcons.
Lamina always acknowledges.
Huegos stepping up for the Lady Falcons. As Panique Gas.
Bascon just not giving up on that ball from Panique. Well,
So free ball here will be given up to National University. Solomon, another now for the Adamson Lady Falcons. Yandok running attack this time by Aljibe.
if Adamson has a good pass always, they could convert those points.
This spike of the set is brought to you by Potato Corner. Belen, pipe attack. Hamili,
Good up by Belen.
long rally here.
Wala pang gusto magpatalo.
And Lamina finishes the job here. And that will do it. Shaky Super League preseason tournament. Although a great performance on the side of...
In favor of NU.
We'll be back for highlights